How to enable or disable fusion camera, additional lenses, 28 or 35 millimeters. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then tap on Settings. Now in Settings, scroll down, then tap on Camera. Next, we then go down and tap on Fusion Camera. In here, go to Additional Lenses and tap on the toggle button for 28 millimeters or 35 millimeters. And that's it. Once you turn it on, you can also set a default lens. And that's it. Finally, you can go back to the home screen and you can launch your camera. Here you can see default is 1.5 when I set it to default 1.5 or 1.2. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video.